Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to make these adorable no-sew little mini octopus. They are pretty easy and quick to make. Let me show them a little. So let's start with the materials and continue with the pattern itself. For round 1 we will start with a magic ring and make 8 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close your magic ring. For my amigurumis, I prefer using a piece of thinner yarn. Doesn't matter if it's acrylic or cotton, instead of using stitch markers. But when you are using a piece of yarn, you need to mark it on your last stitch, not on your first. So take the yarn and pull it through your loop, the last loop. Now for the round 2, we will work into the third loop of the half double crochet we just made. This is the front loop of your half double crochet and this is the back loop, but when you turn it a little bit you can see the third loop popping right behind the back loop. We will work into those third loop stitches here. So for round 2, make increase into each stitch, working into the third loop of the half double crochet. So make 2 single crochet into each stitch. Once you finish your second round, pull your marking piece and pull it through your last loop again. In round 3 we will make single crochet into the first stitch and then increase into the second one. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet into the second, 1 single crochet in the first, 2 single crochet into the second stitch. Repeat this till the end of your round. After you finish round 3, for round 4 to 9, meaning the next six rounds, we will make single crochet into each stitch without any increase or decreases. Just make single crochet into every stitch. You will make the next 6 rounds in single crochet only. Once you finished your 6 rounds of single crochet, take your safety eyes and insert them in any insert the first one in any stitch between round 4 and round 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the first one. Now skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5. I will skip 5 now, and place the second eye into that stitch. Like this. Now in round 10 we will make single crochet into the first stitch and then decrease over the next 2. So make single crochet into the first and then make decrease over the next 2. I will make invisible decrease, so insert your hook into the front loop of the first stitch, twist your hook a little bit and go through the front loop of the next one. Then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops and finish your single crochet. Continue repeating 1 single crochet, 1 decrease till the end of your round. Once you finish your round, take a little bit of stuffing and start filling your head. After the body of your octopus is stuffed well, it's time for the final round, and in round 11 we will make decrease over each 2 stitches. 8 decreases in total. The first decrease going only through the front loop of the 2 stitches, and just make 8 decreases to finish your round. Once you finish your round, cut your yarn, leave a longer tail, so we will need this tail to close the opening. Take a tapestry needle and to close the gap opening invisibly, we will go with the needle through the front. We will work only on the front loops of each stitch, and we will go from inside to outside through the first stitch, then from outside to inside through the next stitch, and we will repeat these two, from inside to outside and from outside to inside through the front loop of the stitch. Once you go through the front loop of the last stitch, just pull your yarn to tighten. Do not pull it too much, as this plush yarn tends to break, and then secure your yarn tail. Once you are done with the body of your octo here, now it's time to make the tentacles. To make the tentacles, we will work into those raised stitches that you will have from working in the third loop of the half double crochet in round 1. Go to the first stitch here and pull a loop with your yarn. Then chain 10. Chain 10 and make 3 single crochet into the second from your hook. 1, 2, work into the second, make 3 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. Into the next we will make 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will repeat making 3 single crochet into the first and 2 single crochet into the second chain. 1, 2, 3, then 2 into the second. You will see that your tentacle is starting to twist. In the last chain, make 1 single crochet, then slip stitch to the next stitch of the body, this one here. to join the tentacle to your body. Then repeat the steps we did for the first tentacle. Chain 10. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make 3 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. 2 single crochet into the second, and continue repeating 3 single crochet in the first, 2 single crochet into the second till you have 1 chain left. In the last chain we will make single crochet and join with slip stitch into the next stitch of the body here. Repeat this 8 more times till you have 8 stitches, so you will have 8 tentacles in the end. Let me finish my tentacles and see you in a bit. Once you finish your tentacles, here is how your octopus will look. This is the final result. Easy and quick mini octopus. If you like this video tutorial and if you think it was helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell button so you will have you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial. See you in the next video.